Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with an unboxing today. I am so glad to be back in my outdoor room. The lighting is so much nicer out here and it's just a really calming space. So I'm excited to have this room back for the rest of the spring and summer and into the early fall. That's where I'll be doing most of my recordings. So I hope you're okay with this setting. I'm not sure what day I'm going to post this video, but it's going to be around Easter, so I hope that you all had a wonderful Easter. And I do have a special unboxing today from Thredup, and this is a fun box. I don't believe I've done a fun box since the St. Patrick's Day crawl, and I've seen some really great fun boxes being opened lately, so I definitely had to pick one up recently, and I can't wait to get it open. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, The Real. I also sell directly from my videos on YouTube. So if you do see anything in tonight's video that you would like to purchase, just send an email and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. I normally post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, but I also drop in bonus uploads. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do and hit the bell notification for me. So this box, of course, came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and it just came within the last week or so, and they run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping for 10 to 12 items, and it was ordered on April 9th. There were no sales or discounted shipping or anything like that at the time, unfortunately. Here is a first look. So, kind of a random assortment. I don't see any obvious themes. So let's go ahead and see what we got. First up are some slippers. And these actually are really nice. They're like a canvas material from Zara Home. And they are just a slip-on flat. So definitely like a nice house shoe, spa sandal. And they're a USA 40, so they probably fit best on about a 9. So those are good. I'll put a price on the screen for those. They do have a little bit of a padding on the straps and just a nice tan beige color. So not too bad on that. And next up we have a seat belt, which is a belt, I guess. This is Dodge. This is cool. And it is like a piano or keyboard. And it is by Buckle Down Skate Goods. I've never heard of that. I think I've seen these type of belts. And it definitely looks like it's been used. There is a little bit of wear on the buckle. So I think these were popular at one point. I don't know if this would be like a vintage item, but it's pretty cool. So I will look into that one. Our next piece are some tights. And these are brand new. They are light control tights, and these look like they could be, they're brown. I was thinking they could be like purple, but they're brown. It says brown. They are by the brand Avenue, originally $30. They are 90% spandex, or 90% nylon, 10% spandex. And they're a CD, which fits 5'4" to 5'9", 180 to 235 pounds. So let's just do $5 on those if anybody's interested. That's a good item. Surprised the original price would be $30 on those. And next up we have another belt maybe. Actually, I think this is a bra top. I think Francis over at Sassy Mingo got something like this recently. So it is a coin bra top, I believe. So pretty cool. Definitely, you know, would be for like some kind of costume. And it does have the hooks that go around the neck, and then another one that goes around the back. So there's no size or anything, or no information. So I can definitely measure it if it's something you're interested in. I think I have it upside down. It's kind of cool, but I don't know how easy that's going to be to sell. But I guess somebody might be in need of that. Next up, I have some, these are plantar fasciitis relief socks in a fluorescent yellow, and they're a small, which is a youth, I guess, 2 to 5.5, or a women's 4 to 6.5. And they are light cushion, no blisters. These are really nice. If they were bigger, I would definitely keep them for myself. It looks like they're an ankle sock. We'll just do 5 on those. So that's a good item. And next up, this is such a random box, and definitely not as good as some of the other ones that I've seen lately. I have these fashion jewelry piñatas, little donkey piñatas, just plastic earrings. We'll just do $2 on those. I'm at least glad those are in here and not a mixed jewelry box. And there was 2 belts in there. This came with the Dodge belt. It is a flame. And this one does not have any branding or size or anything. We'll just do $3 on that one if anybody's interested in that. And then I do have a bangle here. This is pretty. It is like a woven material. Really nice for spring. It's like a cream color with purple and a light red and orange. So really nice. Let's do $3 on that one too, and I can get you a measurement if you need it. I don't have my jewelry tools out here. Our next piece are some underwear, and these are a hip hugger in a large, and they're striped, originally $14.50. So they are brand new at least. We'll do $5 on those. These definitely sell on Posh with being brand new. And next up we have a bra. This is a Bali minimizer. And it is like a beige color. And this will minimize up to 1.5 inches for a better fit. And this is a 38 Triple D, originally $48. So this is a great item. I think these bras are pretty popular right now. I was interested in getting one for myself. I don't think this would be the right size for me though. I will put a price on the screen for that. I always love getting bras. And next up, you guessed it, it's Mostly So. And this is a laptop case. And I actually used one of these when I went on my work trip, and it's pretty nice just to throw in your carry-on and have your laptop secured. And I actually really like this one. It's a quilted nylon. It's a kind of similar look to like an MZ Wallace or something. And it has a front zip, so really nice for charging cords or pens. There are some slip pockets in there. And it's got like a rose gold hardware. And then the inside is a gray like fleece, and it's padded. And then you do get the matching pouch. So these are nice. Really no complaints with this item. We'll do $8 on this if anybody likes it, but it is a full set with the little pouch. And our last piece are some sunglasses. And in my St. Patrick's Day box, I did get some Ray-Bans. These are by the brand Specs, and they are a bandwagon color. So a tortoiseshell frame, The frames are in really nice condition, or I mean the lenses rather. I don't see any scratching on them. And it looks like the frames are in good condition as well. So I'll look up that brand and put a price on the screen. It's so rare to get lenses that are not scratched. Overall, I am not super impressed with this box. Hopefully I can make my money back with the bra, and you know, maybe these will be something good. We did get the Mosiso laptop case for 1, 2 the sunglasses, 3 the Bali bra, 4 the underwear, 5 we had this really pretty bangle, 6 we had the flame belt, 7 we had the seatbelt belt, 8 we had the piñata earrings, 9 we had the socks, 10 we had the light control tights by Avenue, and I lost count. Our last item, or no, 2 more items, we had the Zara home slippers. Those were nice. And the really random chain bra. So unfortunately my box was not as good. Oh, and there's a missing coin as well. So this is pretty sad. And it looks like there is some wear on this too. Overall, you know, it's a little disappointing. This box is nowhere near as good as the ones I've seen Jamie and Christina open lately. But as always, they are a gamble, and they don't put special things in the YouTubers' boxes by any means. It's all random. So it's good you can at least see they're not all winners, but it wasn't terrible. I've definitely had worse. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were. If you had a favorite piece, let me know if you've ordered one lately and if you had anything exciting in there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Take care.